Introduction to Marketing Research. We all know that marketing has been defined as an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationships in ways that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. In this lesson, we will discuss concept of marketing research, explain need of marketing research, state importance of marketing research, and describe limitation of marketing research. After going through this presentation, you should be able to discuss marketing research, explain the need of marketing research, describe the scope of marketing research, state the characteristics of marketing research, analyze the importance of marketing research, understand the limitation of marketing research. The systematic and objective process of generating information for aid in making marketing decisions, or we can say that marketing research is the process of designing, gathering, analyzing, and reporting information that may be used to solve a specific marketing problem. Market research. The systematic gathering, recording, and analyzing of data with respect to a particular market, where market refers to a specific group in a specific geographic area. Marketing research is the function that links the consumer, customer, and public to the marketer through information, and that information is used to identify and define marketing opportunities and problems, generate, refine, and evaluate marketing actions, monitor marketing performance, and improve the understanding of marketing as a process. In the present scenario, whenever a decision is to be made, marketing research becomes necessary in the corporate world. Marketing research is essential because it helps to make the right decisions, to implement marketing, practice the marketing concept. The MR focuses on both short-range and long-range decisions and helps in making decisions with respect to the 4 P's of marketing, namely product, price, place, and promotion, and make the right decisions to select the right marketing strategy. Marketing research helps industries in areas of production to determine what to produce, how much to produce, and when to produce. To link the consumer to the marketer by providing information that can be used in making marketing decisions. There are 2 objectives of this study. First, increased complexity of business environment, and second is increased complexity of decision makers. The study of complexity of business environment involves technology change, research and development, product changes, and information technology changes. The scope of marketing research is related to product promotion, distribution, pricing, and market. It will show you the market development and product opportunities, so you can decide on which production and sales plans you should pursue. It will give you the information you need to remove any uncertainties, allowing you to take decisions that are sound and driven by the market. Marketing research uses the scientific method in the data is collected and analyzed to test prior notions or hypotheses. Marketing research is systematic. It has an unbiased approach. It attempts to provide accurate information that reflects a true state of affairs. Marketing research involves the identification, collection, analysis, and dissemination of information. It will allow you to test ideas of products without actually having to launch them to know if they are successful. You can change a design, a product, or a service and see what results you get. Marketing research is important because it identifies marketing opportunities and problems, and the most relevant requirement is to ensure that the right product reaches the right person at the right place at the right price. It generates, refines, and evaluates potential marketing actions. It also involves systematic and objective search for and analysis of information that can be used for evolving some marketing decisions. It monitors marketing performance and improves marketing as a process. It allows an organization to give the market and the consumers exactly what services and products they need. It allows advertising to go through tests as a campaign is developed or before it is launched to make sure it is as effective as possible. After the launch, it will tell you how successful are the media types you used. It gives you the explanations for the failures and success you get in the market with your products. It allows you to understand the weaknesses and strengths of your rival companies. Marketing research (MR) is not an exact science, though it uses the techniques of science. Thus, the results and conclusions drawn upon by using MR are not very accurate. The results of MR are very vague as MR is carried out on consumers, suppliers, intermediaries, etc., who are humans. Humans have a tendency to behave artificially when they know that they are being observed. Thus, the consumers and respondents upon whom the research is carried behave artificially when they are aware that their attitudes, beliefs, views, etc. are being observed. MR is not a complete solution to any marketing issue as there are many dominant variables between research conclusions and market response. MR is not free from bias. The research conclusions cannot be verified. The reproduction of the same project in the same class of respondents gives different research results. Inappropriate training to researchers can lead to misapprehension of questions to be asked for data collection. Many business executives and researchers have ambiguity about the research problem and its objectives. They have limited experience of the notion of the decision-making process. This leads to carelessness in research and researchers are not able to do anything real. There is less interaction between the MR department and the main research executives. The research department is in segregation. All this makes research ineffective. MR faces time constraint. The firms are required to maintain a balance between the requirement for having a broader perspective of customer needs and the need for quick decision making, so as to have competitive advantage. Huge cost is involved in MR as collection and processing of data can be costly. Many firms do not have the proficiency to carry wide surveys for collecting primary data, and might not also be able to hire specialized market experts and research agencies to collect primary data. Thus, in that case, they go for obtaining secondary data that is cheaper to obtain. MR is conducted in open marketplace, where numerous variables act on research settings. Now let's see how much you have learned till now. State whether the following statements are true or false. Marketing research can assist in the decision-making process. True. In contrast to marketing researchers, management decision-makers are more focused on company performance. False. A research project can involve both problem identification and problem-solving research. True. Before we end, let us briefly revise what we have studied so far. Marketing research is about researching the whole of a company's marketing process. Market research is the systematic problem analysis. It also caters to model building and fact-finding methods for the purpose of improved decision-making. With respect to a particular market, it identifies marketing opportunities and problems, and the most relevant requirement was to ensure that the right product reaches the right person at the right place and at the right price. MR faces time constraint and also it is not free from bias.